All right, so I'm like bleaching this hair. So this is what it looks like with 1 scoop of powder, no, 1.5 scoops of powder and 3 scoops of developer 40. So this is one hair. This is my hair. So now I did 1 scoop of powder and 1 scoop of developer, and now we're going to see what the hair looks like in 30 minutes. Wait. All right, so this is the hair. This is the other hair. This is my hair. So I'm about to rinse these out. All right, so I'm back. So this is the hair that I sell. Okay, well, it's really, really dripping, but that's the hair that I sell. This is the hair that comes from AliExpress. So it still bleaches, but I don't know. But yeah, so this is the difference. All right. And then, like I said, and prior to that, it was 1.5 scoops and 3 scoops of 40 developer. And so that's 30 minutes. So this is my hair. This is the AliExpress hair. So you can see the difference. All right, so thanks for tuning in. I was just showing you the different, the different ways of using the text and, not the text, the different way of using the bleach and the developer. I was just showing you how light the hair gets and things like that. So thank you. If you like this video, tune in, hit me up next time, things like that. All right.